On my previous video, I made mention of Ambazonian president, that is Paul Biya, and the president of Kenya. President of Kenya, I was not able to finish that video with you, but I come to you, president of Kenya. You fought many battles. As a deputy president, you became the deputy president. From the deputy president, you became the president of Kenya. You fought all manner of war and other wars. And you fought almost the same war with your opponents, and they never defeat you. They never defeated you. I know many don't like you, and many love you. The ones that love you, many love you. The good amount love you. But the word of the Lord have come to you today. The Lord said I should warn you. If you don't know how to listen to it now. Because who is speaking to you is not your mate. It's not your mate. The Lord said I should tell you to stop sending your army to these alien countries. Stop sending your army, stop sending your police to be killing them. Stop sending them to that place. That is what the Lord said you should do. Don't stop sending them. Any country, one of the useless government will just come out and start doing nonsense. And the people they are maltreating, the people they are humiliating will come up and pick up arms. You carry your soldiers and send to them in the name of that president to quell problem. Why would that president quell the problem, solve the problem by doing what the people want? You carry your army, you carry your soldiers. Caribbean Island, I was there. That is Caribbean Island. I was there. I saw many Kenyan police. Kenyan army I know when I was in Kenya. I saw them. A country where the person who is ruling is not doing well. And people came out to say, no, you must do well. If you don't do well, come down. And they refuse to come down. You carry your army, go and give them so that they will finish them. The children of those army men, they are crying. The ones that have died there, those soldiers that have died there, their children are crying. You won't take care of them. You cannot take care of them. Their children are crying. Their wives are widows. Stop sending your army to this area. The other time I was in Kenya when you sent, is it a 500 army or thereabout to Congo Kinshasa, be Congo DDR. You sent them because M4, M34 is fighting. Bad governance. Don't send your army to them. Instead of you sending your army, send a word to him. Let him revitalize his country and things will be better. Why are you sending Kenyan army, Kenyan police to go and die for nothing? Why are you sending them to go and die for nothing? Any man who have committed atrocious, all of these people are found in graft. All of these countries you are sending your army to their president to go and fight to kill your people. All of them are found in graft. That is why the people are crying. They have made them to pick up arms. The way you carried your army to Caribbean Island. And they are being tortured. They are being killed. Stop sending your army outside. Your home is not the best. Your home needs the army more than anything. Your home needs the security more than anything. I'm the one talking to you, Mr. President of Kenya. Your country needs the security more than anybody. I am the one that is saying it. Please, if you are coming across this channel, subscribe to this channel immediately and hit the bell button